I just received some packages in the mail and I am so excited to share them with you. We just got some new ironing systems for the studio. We have the Smart U and we've got 3 Laurastar Lifts. First, I'm gonna open up the Laurastar Smart U. This thing is supposed to be amazing, so I am super excited to set it up and try it out. So let's get into it and open it up. Don't worry, I'm using my paper scissors. 1, 2, 3, let's do it. Okay, how do we get it open? I think this pops off. We have it all unboxed and it is looking so cool. So now it's time to find a spot in the studio for it because this is gonna be our main studio iron. So let's take a little walk around the studio and see where I might wanna put this iron. So we have the Notions wall over here. So I'm thinking I could put it over here where we have our recycling bin and our records because then it would be right next to the Notions wall. So that is one option. Or I was also thinking that we could put it in the middle of the studio over here this way. So that way it could be right here in the middle and everybody would have access to it. So I've got my teaching area up here and then I've got my pattern wall over here with my supplies on it. So I think the front of the studio makes a really great option for the iron. My dressing room's over here too, so if I need to iron something real quick, it is right here and super convenient. So I've got the iron right side face up here and we are ready to set it up. Cool thing about this iron, it's Smart Iron. You download an app for the ironing system. How cool is this? So I've downloaded it on my phone and we're gonna walk through the instructions on setting it up. First thing we need to do is undo the purifier out of the bag here, and we're gonna put it in the water tank. So we'll just pop that out. Pop that in. And now we need to fill this up with water. So I've got the water in the tank and now it's time to set up the rest of it. And the app's got like this whole video on here and it walks you right through it. So it's super easy to set up. So I'm gonna follow those instructions, set this baby up and see what she can do. I'm getting excited. Woo! And we're turning it on. Woo! Oh yeah. Heating up. So I downloaded the app and I connected the iron to the app on my phone. That's kind of crazy, right? So cool. So when we connect the iron to the app, we can turn it on and off. We can tell the iron if we want it to be steam on or steam off, and we can control the fan. And I'm sure we can do other things in here too. I just gotta learn it all, right? So we've got it all set up and plugged in, so let's try it out. So we're up and running. Check out the steam power on this. What? This is crazy. So the steam buttons are on the side of the iron. So cool. I'm like obsessed with how powerful the steam is. And these wrinkles on the mat are gonna come out instantly. It is so powerful. And you're probably wondering what that noise is. So there's a fan in this ironing board here. And what it's doing is it's sucking the steam so that way your clothes or your project is not gonna get wet, full of wet steam. And let's say you don't want the fan on or you wanna turn it down. There's a little fan button right on the front of the iron. And all you need to do is touch it. This iron is steaming up all over the place. I have never seen anything like this before. And this is just not any regular old steam. This is dry, micro fine steam. You're probably wondering, what the heck is that? And why do I need it? This super fine steam eliminates dust mites, fungi, and bacteria. It is like a magic working iron. And a lot of times, those things do not come out in the wash. So this ironing system is super helpful for eliminating those. Something else really interesting about this smart ironing system is that you never have to change a temperature dial. There isn't one for you to change. That's kind of crazy, right? But if you're ironing really delicate fabrics, there is a Teflon plate here that you just snap onto the bottom of the iron. But that's it. Either Teflon plate or no Teflon plate. And it is not gonna burn or destroy your fabrics. It is a smart iron. You might think an ironing board and system this big might be really complicated to use, but all you really do is plug it in and start ironing. Honestly, the old school irons with all the dials and burning and melting of fabrics is really complicated. I don't know about you, but I have definitely burned some holes in some things before. I am so excited to start using this ironing board in the studio. I kind of just want to start ironing for fun now because it is so easy and cool to watch those wrinkles just come right out. That's right, I said ironing for fun. Now that we have the Smart U iron set up, let's go set up those lifts. We are having an ironing good time in the studio today. Now it's time to set up the lifts. So let's unbox a lift and check it out. Let's open her up. I'm really curious to see how different this is gonna be compared to the Smart U. We got our Teflon plate. Well, there she is. So the lifts don't come with an ironing board. So you can just keep your clothes hanging up on your hanger and steam them and iron them out, or you just use this with the ironing board that you already have. So this is really awesome. If you don't have an ironing board, you can basically iron your clothes with them hanging. So let's go set it up and try it out. So I have 3 spots in the studio where I have regular ironing boards, and that is right where these lifts are going to go. So goodbye old iron and hello lift. So the lift is super easy to set up. First thing you need to do is unpackage your water filter and put it inside of the water container, and then fill up your water container with some water. And that filter is great for getting rid of lime and scale and all that icky stuff that can be in the water. And I'm sure you went and hit the steam button on your iron before and that white chunky stuff comes out of your iron. Ew. Well, this filter is going to prevent that from happening. The water container goes right here on the lift, so it is removable. You can pull it out whenever you need to refill it and take it over to the sink. And you can use just regular tap water on these, which is great too. So now all we need to do is plug it in and then just hit the power button. It's gonna make a little noise that's heating up the water. We're gonna give it a few minutes and then we are ready to try this out. Now it's time to try it out and iron our wrinkly bodice here. So we're gonna go right over it. And when you're ready for steam, either one of the buttons on the side, you go ahead and push it. Woo! We got some steam. Look how powerful that steam is. It's amazing. Look at how nice this is looking, and we all know how hard cotton can be to get out wrinkles. Look at how good it looks. This thing is awesome. Wasn't it fun experiencing these 2 irons today? I know I had a blast unboxing them and setting them up in the studio, and I'm also super excited to share them with all the students that come into the studio. I'm always coming across all kinds of new gadgets and technology and sewing, and it is awesome to come across something that works so well. I know my ironing game has just improved like tenfold. Thanks so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. If you are not already a subscriber to Sew Anastasia, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you know when all the new videos come out every single week. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. These videos are for you guys. And I'd love to know what you've been sewing lately, so make sure you tag me in it or share a photo with me, and I'd love to share it with everyone else. And if you're in Chicago, come on into the design studio and take a class with me. Or you can also take some classes virtually as well. So check those out at sewanastasia.com. And don't forget to add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, all the social media websites, so that way we can stay connected and creative together. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.